Good morning. Online classes, Padmavati Junior College. My name is E.M. Naidu, Principal of Padmavati Junior College. Today, discuss the topics syllabus of Mathematics 2A, syllabus complex numbers, సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్యలు, డిమోవియస్ థీరం, డిమోవియస్ సిద్ధాంతము, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్, వర్గ సమాసాలు, థియరీ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, సమీకరణవాదము, పెర్ముటేషన్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్, ప్రస్తారాలు, సంయోగాలు, బైనామియల్ థీరం, ద్విపద సిద్ధాంతము, పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్, పాక్షిక భిన్నాలు, మెజర్ ఆఫ్ డిస్పర్షన్స్, విస్తరణ కొలతలు, ప్రాబబిలిటీ, సంభావ్యత, ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్, ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్స్, యాదృచ్ఛిక చలరాశులు, విభాజనాలు, చలరాశులు అండ్ విభాజనాలు. Okay. The first topic is complex numbers. Weightage 8 marks. Okay, IP లో weightage 8 marks. De Moivre's theorem weightage 9 marks. Third circle quadratic expressions వర్గ సమస్యల weightage 6 marks. Theory of equations weightage 9 marks. Permutation and combination weightage 12 marks. Binomial theorem weightage 16 marks. Partial fractions 4 marks. Measure of dispersions 9 marks. Probability 15 marks. Random variable and distribution is 11 marks. Okay, this is the syllabus of Mathematics 2A. Now discuss the topic quadratic expressions. The chapter number 3, quadratic expression, వర్గ సమాసాలు. Okay, what is the definition of the quadratic expression? Definition: A, B, C belongs to complex numbers. So A, B, C are complex numbers, and A not equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic expression. A quadratic expression. Okay, in x, A, B, C are complex numbers. A not equal 0, ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic expression in x. Okay, ax square bx plus c ను వర్గ సమాసం అంటారు. ఇక్కడ వెయిట్ ఏది ఏ అనేది జీరో కాకూడదు అనమాట. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 7x మైనస్ 3 ఓకే ఈజ్ ఏ quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Okay. Now definition of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is the definition of quadratic equation? ABC, if ABC are complex numbers and a not equal to 0, then x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. x square bx plus c is equal to 0 ను మనం వర్గ సమీకరణం అంటాం. ఎగ్జామ్ x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, is a quadratic equation in x. Quadratic equation in x. Okay, where a, b, c are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. A is called the coefficient of x square, b is called the coefficient of x, c is called constant. Okay, now under definition, root of quadratic equation, a root of a quadratic equation. Let alpha belongs to complex number and a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Then alpha is called a root of a quadratic equation QE. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. A complex number alpha satisfies the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Then alpha is called root. Okay. ఒక సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్య అనేది ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరిస్తే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే ఆ ఆల్ఫాను అంటే ఆ సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్యను మనం మూలము అంటాం. ఓకే, రూట్ ఆఫ్ దీన్ని మనం మూలము, సమీకరణ మూలం. ఓకే, నౌ ఎగ్జామ్ find the roots of the quadratic equation QE. Quadratic equation x square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. X square minus 7x, we have to apply factorization method. X square minus 3x minus 4x. Now 7. You have to apply the formula. x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 12. Minus b into 7 plus or minus square root of b square into 49 minus 4 ac by 2a, 2 into 1. That equals 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 48 by 2. That equals 7 plus or minus root 1 at 1 by 2. And now 7 plus 1 by 2, 7 minus 1 by 2. That equal to 8 by 2, comma 6 by 2. That equal to 4, comma 3. Okay, this is the formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Roots formula. To finding the roots of the quadratic equation, roots. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula of the roots. So now, and another method is factorizing method. Okay, x square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. X square now 3 minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals 0. So now x common, x minus 4 minus 3 common, x minus 4 equals 0. Now this one can be written as x minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 3 and x equal to 4. Therefore, the roots are 3, 4. Okay. So formula apply cheste x equal to minus b plus 1 square root of b square 4ac by 2a apply చేసుకోవాలి. లేదు అంటే ఫ్యాక్టరైజింగ్ వస్తే ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసి x వాల్యూ రూట్స్ ఈ విధంగా కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ద roots. Now another example. Find the roots of x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 1. So a means the coefficient of x square, b means the coefficient of x, c means constant. So a, b, c are the coefficients. Now formula roots x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is equal minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square ante minus 2 square 2 square 4 minus 4ac a1 by by 2a 2 into 1 minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac that equal to minus 2 plus or minus 0 by 2 that equal to minus 1. Okay, the roots are minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1 because of second two roots. Now find the roots of another equation. Third one. Find the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. we had now the formula using a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 6. The roots are సమీకరణ మూలాలు x equal to minus p plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that implies x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of b square. The 5 minus 5 square 25 minus 4ac 1 into 6 that equal to a 2 into 1. That implies x equal to 5 plus or minus root 25 minus 24 by 2. That implies x equal to 5 plus or minus root 1. Root 1 means 1 by 2. That implies x equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 by 2. 5 minus 1 4 by 2. That implies x equal to 3 comma 2. Okay, the roots are. So another method is therefore the roots are 2 comma 3. Another method is x square minus 5x plus 6 factorizing method. Okay, కారణాంక పద్ధతి. So then x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 6 కారణాంక పద్ధతులు ఫ్యాక్టరైజింగ్ మెథడ్ వస్తే ఈ విధంగా అప్లై చేయాలి. లేదంటే రూట్స్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసుకొని మనం రూట్స్ కనుక్కోవాలంట ఫైండింగ్ ద రూట్స్. నౌ ద కామన్ x minus 2 common value is x minus 3 is common x minus 2 equal to 0. That implies x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. That implies so x equal to 2 or 3. Therefore the roots are 2, 3. Okay, another method, second method. Okay, ఫ్యాక్టరైజింగ్ మెథడ్ వస్తే ఈ విధంగా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదు అంటే ప్రతిదానికి కూడా ఈ ఫార్ములా మనం అప్లై చేసుకొని రూట్స్ కొనుక్కోవచ్చు అనమాట. సో ఏంటది రూట్స్ కొనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా x ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ కి ప్లస్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ b స్క్వేర్ 4ac by 2a. ఓకే, abc వాల్యూస్ and it is given the quadratic equation. Now ax square plus bx plus c equal 0 is a quadratic equation in x. Okay, the roots are first one alpha minus p plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another one beta minus p minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Because the quadratic equation having two roots, the first root take alpha, second root take beta. Now sum of the roots మూలాల మొత్తము అంటే sum of the roots. That means adding these two roots alpha plus beta and minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now these two adding minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by whole by 2a. Now these two cancel. Minus 2b by 2a. Now 2 cancel, that equal minus b by a. Now sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. This is the formula of sum of the roots. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots. మూలాల లబ్ధము. Okay, so labdam means product, multiply these two. multiplying these two, alpha into beta is called the product of the roots. That equal, now a plus b into a minus b, a square into b square into minus b whole square minus b square minus 4ac root 2 whole square whole by 2a into a 4a square, b square square root, now square cancel, minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now b square minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square, a square is these two cancel, 4ac by 4a into a, and as 4a cancel equal c by a. So now product of the roots, alpha into beta equal to c by a. Next class we continue the class.